What up, YouTube? It's your boy Spider Buff 1330 back with another video. Good morning, welcome. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Like, share, subscribe, share with your family and friends. If I got a Ryko Spider, please share me out. Give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and subscribe so you know every time I post a video, you will be notified. Okay, so now today I'm doing another install tutorial. See this here? Sometimes I have my keys in it, or I plan on getting a luggage rack. This won't stay up. Just with my keys in it alone, it'll fall back down. So it's gonna be a shock replacement for this here, make it stronger. And I have it right here, rear shock replacement. I have a 2023 Can Am Spyder RT Limited. So we're just gonna get right into it. Hope everybody doing good today. It's a nice day. It's gonna rain this afternoon, so I'm trying to get a video in before the rain comes. All right, so let's get this tutorial, this install going. And first thing first is to get this here bolt. We got two bolts right here. Glasses. Real time. See how many glasses I got back here? Mine's and my wife's. We got so many shades. This is gonna be a T20 Torx bit. You're removing the passenger backrest first. So it's two screws. Let's take these glasses out. How can we do these? Get them out of the way. So this is the passenger backrest. Don't lose your screws. Because I got this organizer, I'm going to leave the screws right now, organizer. It's only two screws. Like I said, I'm going to leave them right inside that organizer like that. And then I think this part, yeah. And the middle part is Velcro. Boom. Like that. And then what we're going to do, we're going to come around this side. Come around this side. So you can see what I'm doing. You're going to take the back right. You're going to let this down. Don't lock it. Let it down. You lift up. Out. Simple. And these are the two bolts where they go into. That's holding it in. Then you just sit this somewhere. It's not going to be in your way. So now we're going to hit this shock right here. So you're going to take a flathead screwdriver, put it right here, and pull this pin out. So I see the angle. So I can see the joint. So you can see the angle. Right on. So you pull this pin right here. Just pull it out like that. Take that off and pull that out. Alright, now you're gonna take right here, Allen head, Allen key right there. See the Allen key? I don't know what number, what size that is, so we're gonna try different ones. See if I get lucky in the first shot. Yeah, I got lucky in the first, look at that, lucky in the first shot. And you wanna loosen this ball, the Allen key. Okay, there we go. Hold it, cause now it gets loose, it gets weak now. There's no strength on it. And make sure you hold it. Yeah, slow, unscrew it slow. See, now this will fall all the way back. You can go all the way back. Just let it down slowly. Check this out. Yeah, seems pretty strong. I hope the other one is strong. It's supposed to be heavy duty. So we're gonna see. Take this one. And you'll put the same thing. This one back. So you lift this up. Going on your bolt. On the bolt. Go here like this. And screw it. Screw that in there like that. Now on this side, let me show you something. Now this already has a pin in it, so you don't even have to pull it out. I'm gonna show you. See that clip we took off the previous one? This one has one on it. So you just lower it like this. You lower the thing, lower the pin and push it in. Look at that. Stays up. Now, oh man. I gotta take it out. I forgot to tighten this thing all the way. So I gotta push the pin out just a little bit. Tighten it all the way first. I'll do that. Take an Allen key. Tighten it all the way. Okay. Now, take this back down here. This clip. Get it in. Boom. And now, stays strong. Stronger. So now, got that on. You lower the seat. You lower this part. And you put your backrest back on. You have two holes, two slots right here and right here. That's where these two notches go. No, they don't. These two notches go in here. These here two hooks go down in here. Lift this back up. And then you run your screws back in the holes. I believe I actually made these holes myself in this thing. I know it came on off. It came holes, that's right. To hold it. Take these back up. And there you have it. So now, open it up. Nice and strong. Got tension. The other one didn't have tension. So there you have it. Rear trunk shock install upgraded for the Can Am Spyder 2020 and up. It's your boy Spyder Buff 1330. Peace, I'm out. Ride safe, and I'll see you on the next video. I'm out.